Please, Lordship,
Yes.
I'm mentioning item number 5.
5. Yes. What is
One affidavit in opposition has been filed yesterday by the APDCL. I have taken consent from the APDCL Council and other councils.
okay?
I'm required to file one reply.
Okay. How much time?
4 weeks time, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly fix the matter in the first week of October or 6th or 8th, as per your Lordship's convenience.
Mr. H.K. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioners submits that he has received a copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by the APGCL and therefore may be granted 4 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit. In view of above, registry to verify and connect the affidavit in opposition filed by the APDCL to the record and to release the matter again on 8th of October 2026.
Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, your Lordship. Lordship, I have taken the consent of the other side also, your Lordship.
You have circulated
Yes, your Lordship.
adjournment slip.
Yes, your Lordship.
Okay, an adjournment slip has been circulated by Mrs. A. Gayan, London CGC, FA correspondent numbers 1 to 4. Objected to the same. In view of above, matter stands adjourned. When do you want it?
Lordship, after a week, your Lordship. Lordship, 2nd week of September, your Lordship.
Listed again, give a date. Convenient date. On 17/9.
May I please?
Yes.
I like to mention for listing one item for regarding motion today. Because
Today?
I have been transferred earlier in December 2025 I was transferred, and on 2nd of February, 26th of February, that transfer was stayed. Thereafter again on 19/5/2026 I was transferred without revocation of the earlier order of stay. That is 26/2/2026. Therefore, this honorable court interfered with, and the order of transfer was stayed. Subsequently, when the next in 19th of August, when the matter came up, the BTC Standing Council placed on record instruction placed on record that I was allowed to continue at Shidli Revenue Circle instead of transferring me to the Majbar.
So,
On 25th of this month, Lordship, I was again transferred. So that instruction which was placed before this honorable court by the BTC Standing Council was an IWAS, Lordship.
we'll have it tomorrow. Not
Lordship, because I have
Not
already been released, Lordship.
maybe, but see, there are so many matters on our board today. We'll have it tomorrow.
Lordship. And as a first item, Lordship.
Sorry,
First item,
not required. It'll be taken up tomorrow.
Lordship. Obliged.
May it please, your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention for one listing, Lordship. We filed 5 cases on that day, and 4 of them are listed tomorrow, Lordship. It's about dismissal from service of ADO. Lordship, 1 matter, Lordship, it is skipped.
Okay.
It's similar matter, Lordship. Obliged.
Lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship. This matter may come up 8th of September, Lordship. In this case, we are led by Senior Advocate Mr. P.K. Rajodhi. He is today not feeling well, that's why, Lordship.
For petitioner,
Yes, Lordship. Item
Who's-
number 17,
who's leading the matter?
Lordship.
P.K. Roy.
Yes, Lordship. 8th of September, Lordship.
No, just a minute. Just see the 28 matters. We'll not have it on that day. We'll have it some other day. Just see. 15th. Okay. On the request of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned. We listed again on 15th of September for hearing.
15th September.
Yes.
Madam.
May I please, your Lordship. Lordship, in item number 14, we filed an affidavit regarding service of notice of testimony that may be called for, Lordship.
Okay.
Already filed, Lordship.
Yes.
May it please, your Lordship. Lordship, is the consent of the other side, my lord. I beg to mention item number 7, my lord. In this matter, additional AG P.N. Goswami will appear, my lord. Also, may kindly adjourn the matter for today only. And my lord, this matter pertains to retirement benefits, my lord. So date may be given. It can, subject to your lordship convenience, maybe the 8th or 9th of September, my lord.
Miss MD Bora,
Lordship.
Learned Council, Learned
Standing
State
Council
Coun-
Transport.
Learned Standing Council Transport Department submits that she's led by Mr. P. N. Goswami, Learned Additional AG in the matter. And since he has some personal difficulties to appear before the court today, she prays that the matter be adjourned. Be listed on a convenient date.
Either 8 or 9.
Mrs. Jane Panwar, Learned Counsel for the opposite party, has no objection to the prayer, but prays for a fixed date. Would you, Papa? 22-9.
It's too long, my lord. Everything is there, my lord. It's regarding retired benefits.
Ah,
Not
correct.
NPS, so that's why.
Thing is that we are adjusting the matters because if we list too many cases in one day, doesn't get
Can
exhausted.
it be on 17th of this September?
See the date. All right.
17, I'll not be there. It's a piece of work.
But she's there.
So she has to be, God will not accept me alone.
Can it be on 16th, ma'am?
All right, 16.
Deeply
List on 16, right?
Me, please, your lordship.
Yes.
With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 15, lordship.
Item number
15, 1 5.
15.
Yes, lordship, and kindly adjourn the matter today, lordship.
Why?
Due to personal difficulties, my senior counsel is not able to come, lordship.
Who's
Adjourn the matter
counsel?
for today, lordship.
No, who's the counsel?
As her Gogoi, lordship.
Is the conducting counsel.
Yes, lordship.
I have noticed all these MSc appeals are getting adjourned. Is there any reason? Okay, what is your good name?
J. Saikia, lordship.
Ms. J. Saikia, Learned Counsel. Submits that she is led by Mr. S.R. Gogoi in the matter for the appellant. And since he has some personal difficulties, she prays that the matter may be adjourned. Have you informed the other side?
Yes, lordship.
She submits that she has taken the consent from the other side. Move the above matter stands adjourned. We will state again on 22-9. With an understanding that the council, the learned counsels for the parties should not seek further adjournment. Since the matter is of the year 2015. All right.
May it please your lordship, with regard to item number 8 and 9, my lord, I appear for BTC in both the matters, my lord. Lordship, we are required to file a detailed affidavit in item number 8, my lord. In item number 9, we have already filed. So, my lord, I seek some time, my lord. 3 weeks time may be given to file our affidavit.
You are there?
I am the
Lordship,
petitioner, lordship, and the petitioner is going to retire next year, lordship, so I may be, date may be fixed, lordship, and then as last chance, lordship, because on several occasions they took adjournment in this matter, lordship.
On the prayer made by the learned standing council PTC. Not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned, we listed again on 110.
As last chance, lordship, otherwise, lordship,
To enable the
on several occasions they took
PTC
adjournment.
filed their counter affidavit in WPC number 1536 of 2026. Affidavit in 2026 matter.
Yes, my lord.
That is,
24,
original 24, lordship,
In that matter, my lord,
they
we
have already filed
filed.
affidavit, lordship, but in
Only-
26 matters, because he is going to retire next year,
We'll
lordship.
file, my lord.
Uh, since it is submitted that the petitioner was going to retire next year. The BTC should file their, BTC respondent should file their counter affidavit positively by the next date.
And last
Detail.
chance, lordship, otherwise they are not filing. On
Lordship, we'll file, my lord.
5, 6 occasions they took adjournment, lordship. Same
She'll file.
Yeah, We'll file.
Okay.
Obliged.
Obliged.
May it please, your lordship. I beg to mention item 4 of today's list. 3 weeks time may be granted to file a rejoinder.
Your good name?
K. Pathak. I've taken consent from the other side.
K. Baha. Your name is not there in the cost list.
The other colleagues are on legs. Hello. I'm
On
mentioning on
The
behalf of
request
the
made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. How much time do you require?
2 weeks. 17th of September may be granted, my lord.
3 weeks' time is granted. File rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in position filed by the respondents. Just again on.
22.
All right.
Obliged. Yeah, please, your lordship. So, I get to mention for listing on tomorrow, my lord, the transfer matter, my lord. And lordship, Alia dispose of the matter, my lord. Directing the authority to consider the representation, my lord. And yesterday, they have passed improving order, my lord. My lord, the upholding the alia transfer order, which was improving in the alia repetition. I file, my lord, register tomorrow.
What do you have filed?
But it will be date petition, my lord.
Read petition. What is the urgency?
The lordship, Alia dispose of the repetition, my lord. Directing the authority to consider the representation, my lord.
Yes.
Yesterday, they have passed an order, my lord, upholding the earlier order, my lord, which was improving in the earlier repetition. That I have challenged, my lord.
Oh, it cannot come up today or tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Give a date. 31st on Monday. Next Monday.
May please, lordship, the consent of other side, item number 10. I seek a short adjournment also.
For the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Why, what?
A short date may be fixed because the term of the petitioner is already expiring in the month of September. So that will make the entire writ petition infructuous. So on the next date, endeavor shall be made to dispose of the entire case. The
No,
matter
if it's infructuous, then it's good. What remains? Infructuous, infructuous.
because the matter is regarding contractual appointment of the petitioner and the term is there up to September. So.
No, I understand,
Yes.
but that submission should come from him. You're for the respondent.
No, I am for the respondent. By dint of this honorable court's order, he is enjoying the stay order, your lordship. He is continuing in service. So that is the problem, difficulty. Any short date?
Request for VC by whom? Respondents, but respondent is here. Page number. Anybody else is appearing in this matter through VC?
This item 10.
Yes, somebody has requested.
Yes,
VC.
I think so. The MPanel, they may be the MPanel councils
Ah.
for the workers,
For?
respondents.
You are for which respondent?
I am for all the respondents.
You are to
I'm
be-
for respondents 2 to 5. So I think they are the MPanel councils.
For which respondent?
2 to 5.
2 to 5.
Yes.
You are for 2 to 5 also?
I am also for 2 to
Ah.
5. They are the MPanel councils. I am the local councils here.
I see. So what is your instruction?
My instruction is that should be disposed and a short date can be fixed. He has to file his rejoinder, your lordship.
Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be given some time to file rejoinder affidavit. Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for respondent numbers 2 to 5, however, submits that the short date may be given since the contract period is expiring in the month of September. We have a list on 16/9. Rejoinder be filed by then.
Another prayer, your lordship.
Interim shall be continued.
Hmm?
Interim shall be continued.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of
Your
listing.
lordship, here the name of Mr. T. Sannu. That should be reflected in the cause list. He is the MPanel council.
Name of Mr.
T. Sannu.
T. Sannu.
T. Sannu.
With your permission, my lord.
Yeah.
Lord, this is Tushar Sanu. We are the standing counsel for the 2 to 5 in this particular matter.
Yes, we are listing it on 16/9. They want to file a rejoinder.
My lord,
Name of Mr. T. Sannu, SANNU. Learned counsel for the respondent be reflected in the cost list here.
Obliged.
Lord,
Obliged.
it's Tushar Sanu, my lord. Tushar Sanu. Tushar.
Yes, we got it.
May I please your lordship?
See, the name is here.
May I
Yes.
please your lordship? Lordship, I pray for listing of a writ petition in admission column, lordship. The next week, lordship, any date. Lordship, then in the
24th.
published. Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition for admission. Any date, lordship, as your convenience.
30.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, lordship. I am for the petitioner. Matter may be possible for the day. There is some personal difficulties from my senior year.
You're for the,
I am for the petitioner. Your Honor.
have you from the other side?
Yes, your
Lordship, I am appearing for a private respondent, Lordship. Lordship, there is some urgency. A date may kindly be fixed in the month of September.
Private
Lordship.
respondent number.
7, Lordship.
Okay, what is the difficulty, Mr. Datta? You are Mr. You are Mr.
Zaman, your Honor.
Sorry,
B Zaman, your Honor.
B Zaman. What is the difficulty?
Difficulty, my senior is not ready for today, your Honor.
Who's your senior?
B Purkasta, your Honor.
Okay. Mr. B Zaman, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he is led by Mr. B Prokasta, learned counsel in the matter for the petitioner, and submits that some more time is granted to prepare the matter. Learned counsel for the respondent submits that there is some urgency in the matter and a date may be fixed. If you forgot, this the matter on 1st October 2026 for hearing.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 22, lordship. Lordship, we have been recently engaged in this matter. I'm appearing on behalf of P.N. Goswami, lordship. Lordship may fix any other date.
Engaged for whom? Petitioner or
Petitioner,
respondent?
lordship.
Petitioner.
Petitioner, lordship.
What about the others?
We have taken the consent, lordship. CGC.
What is your good name?
A. Goswami, lordship.
Mr. A. Goswami, learned counsel, submits that he's assisting Mr. P.N. Goswami, learned counsel, who has been recently engaged by the petitioner, and therefore prays for some time to prepare the matter. Stop. He submits that he has taken the consent of the other side. Be a papa.
May I please, your lordship,
List again
with the
on 311. Yes.
my lord, with the consent of other party, I beg to mention item 20. Adjourn this matter for 2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks.
Why?
As my seniors are instructed me, my lord.
Why don't you tell him to come and appear? There must be a reason for adjournment, just like that. What only?
We have taken, my lord, consent, my lord.
Maybe, but there must be a reason for adjournment. What is the reason? You can't think of any excuse, some believable excuse. What is your good name?
Jat Hussain.
Huh?
Jat Hussain.
You're appearing on behalf of?
HR Chaudhary, respondent number 11 and 12.
Okay. Mr.
Jat Hussain.
Z. Hussain, learned counsel, submits that Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the respondent numbers 11 and 12 has some personal difficulty to conduct the matter today, and therefore he prays for adjournment. Stop. He submits that he's taken the consent of the other side as well. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again after 3 weeks. Next.
Much obliged.
May I please the lordship? Your lordship, I beg to pray for listing of a fresh IA matter for tomorrow, your lordship.
IA for what?
IA in WPC 3397 for vacating the stay.
Stay
which was
vacating.
granted.
You will come up next week, Wednesday. Give it to you.
Lordship,
2nd September.
lordship, much obliged.
Lord, I pray for listing of this matter for admission, my lord, next week, my lord. Last listed on 11th of June.
Just give a date. Date night.
Well, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of 2 contempt matters, lordship. Any date next week, lordship.
Fresh matter.
No, lordship. It was
Pending.
last posted on 27 May.
Give a date.
Obliged.
My lord, it's a matter of promotion, my lord. Non-consideration of promotion to the post of assistant executive engineer. From executive assistant engineer, my lord. In fact, my lord, on 26/8/2025, TPC was constituted. Now, my lord, already 1 year has lapsed, but they have not taken any action there.
So can it be referred?
No, my lord.
Promotion matter or not in the mediation.
Parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that since the matter relates to promotion claimed by the petitioner, it may not be conducive to refer the matter for mediation. We have above list the matter for admission. But after 4 weeks.
If any fixed date may be given, lordship.
Okay, give a date. on 30 September.
Lordship, mediation is not possible here.
Why?
It's a invalidation from service, Lordship. He is in defense for a permanent low medical category who was invalidated from service. So that is the scope of any mediation in this case.
Yes. Mr. Miss B. Sharma, London CGC, appearing for the respondent Union of India submits that the matter relates to invalidation from service, and therefore it may not be conducive to refer the matter for mediation. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
A.M. Khan, Your Lordship.
Sorry,
Hearing of the.
A.M. Khan.
Yes.
Agrees to submission in view of this matter for admission.
Dates may be fixed, Your Lordship.
Readings complete, so it may.
Okay, give a date then.
16. Hearing.
Right.
16. Yes.
Hearing may be.
I think this case may not be referred to mediation as because this case relates to pertaining of rules of this act, Lordship. He is permanently disabled of 40% of his left eye, Lordship. And he was disqualified. Subsequently, he was disqualified. But the rule says that once a permanent disabled certificate is issued, Lordship, thereafter no such medical board should be constituted and they can reject the disability of the petitioner, Lordship.
First side of mediation of thickness of the first side, not the.
Post of Chokidar.
Post of Chokidar, Lordship.
Yes. You say.
For one time, Your Lordship, it should be sent for a mediation. Thereafter, one date may be given, Your Lordship, if in mediation center, nothing has, nothing positive outcome.
But it can be settled for mediation, Lordship.
For mediation also, Your Lordship, because pertaining to that disability, Your Lordship, let one meeting in mediation center may held, Your Lordship. Thereafter, if doesn't come out turning positive, then they can have one date, Your Lordship, for continuation this petition.
What do you say?
One.
Lordship, that is up to you, Lordship. Because the rule.
You have not filed counter affidavit also.
Yes, Your Lordship. I would like to file it, Your Lordship.
But if you send it for mediation, then department will go there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let them to file the affidavit, Lordship, first.
No, before filing also you can go.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because the authorities will come with the records or whatever. As agreed to by the parties, matters is referred for mediation. Registry to take necessary steps immediately. Yes.
Deeply offense.
May I please, Your Lordship?
13, 1-3.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship,
Yes.
in this case, in a mention hour, I mentioned before Lordship to call for a affidavit. I think this is not tagged. It's already called Lordship. I have submitted.
Oh, not yet received, not yet reached.
Lordship, I can take after some time.
Okay. Time being.
I'm sorry.
No,
Lordship
13
is,
is, 13 not, no
13
affidavit.
is better.
13
is mine. I'm sorry. 14 is mine, 13 is.
No, 13 is something else, Lordship.
For 14, Lordship.
Okay.
13, I am the petitioner,
Correct,
Lordship.
affidavit called in 14.
Yes,
This
Lordship.
is 13.
13. 13 is a contempt petition. Lordship may kindly peruse the last order. Last and the last to last order. Matter relates to grant of minimum scale of pay, Lordship, as per Upenda's division bench judgment. Last order, Lordship may kindly peruse. B. Gogoi submits that the petitioner has been, claim of the petitioner is verified and found that he is entitled for minimum of the pay scale. However, since many claims are considered together, requirement, he sought for some time.
Where is Mr. B. Gogol?
And even on the last to last occasion on 19/5/26 also, they submitted that the case is under active consideration and forwarded for necessary approval to comply with the order. 4 months granted on assurance to bring the status of compliance record.
Who is the respondent? Who are the respondents?
Yes, respondent, Lordship, Director of Social Welfare. And Finance Department is the necessary party who got later implemented, Lordship.
Finance department was later on included. Finance department is the necessary party.
So tell me, who are they? One is Ebola Das Devi.
Your Lordship, if I may,
Devi Dev.
Your Lordship, Mr. B. Over, he is on his way, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may take it up after some time.
Okay, let him come.
Okay.
Time between.
I'm sorry, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship,
no
I take up after some time, Lordship. Actually,
Oh, this affidavit has not come.
yes.
Okay. So no time.
But all these people are retired pensioners of GMC. Time and again, issuance has been made. From January, we did not receive. Now, as per the last issuance, they have given it only for the month of February, January. Only 1 month they have given. Current, they have no any assurance, nothing. Every time they come and with a new plea. And as a result, my lord, these people are only depending on the pension to buy their essential medicines. Their survival is dependent. It's not a bounty which is state is distributing. That I need not tell my friend what pension is. But your lordship will kindly ensure these officers, they pay this money on timely. Otherwise, these people, they are around 2,000 employees, all retired. Every time for every month delay, they have to come to the court. And this is not the first time they have come before your lordship in this case. Your lordship must see, even the last order reflects the concerns of the court. An earlier order also reflects that they have to file a report at what time they should pay.
How many petitioners are there? You know,
But
14.
in this case, only 14, it's represented by a munch, which represent the cause of the, and all the retirement.
Recently, we have received 12 crore 13 lakh 27,000. Thereafter, my lord, last month, this 1 month it have been released. Now, I have been informed, my lord, yesterday also, next month is coming, this papers work has been done, my lord. Next, what is coming, my lord? And thereafter, the third lot will come, my lord. But we'll post it after 2 weeks, my lord. In the meantime, that second lot will come, my lord. Since recently, this past 1 month, 1 month. Do you have the figure? We have received 12 crore 13 lakhs and 27,000.
That has been already disbursed for the month of.
No, this is
1
12
month.
crore. That money has been received. Thereafter, the 1 month has been released. Now, yesterday, another paperwork has been done to release the next month. 12 crore 13 lakhs. That is the total amount. Received from the finance department, government of Assam. 12 crore 13 lakhs. 27,000. 27,000. Yes. This is the entire amount. This is the amount received from the government of Assam for releasing the pension. Okay, and out of which how many has been released? For all the employees, first 1 month has been released. That has been disbursed. They have received it. Now the yesterday another papers lot have been signed to release the next month. It will come up. It will take some time because the large numbers are involved. It will be go through bank account and that will be released.
Not a question of how many people are there. You have to have
paperwork have to be done.
release the fund. But this amount they have released, it covered only the month of January.
Yes,
They
1
have
month.
released. Now it's February, March, April, May, June, July, August of 7 months. And you can't keep this persons begging for you every time before the court to release their dues. They have given the best of the years for the government. And now for every month, we have to come before this court.
This amount, how much is it? In lakhs.
12 crores.
12 crore 13 lakhs 27,000.
That covered only the month of January.
No, this covers how much? This
January.
out of the
January month.
that month, my lord, out of it only 1 month had been released. From that amount only, next month will come. That paper has been already been paper. No, that's why I'm asking you, how much is the total amount and how much has been released? I don't have the written figure. My telephonic instruction, 4 crore.
So what is this figure then? 12 crores?
That is the amount release. We have received
They
it.
have given it last, on the last date, that this is the amount they have received.
Yes, this is
And
the
from
amount. we
this
have.
amount, they have released only the month of January.
This entire amount?
No, no.
I don't know,
no,
whether they are not
That-
saying
This
anything.
is not the
They
entire
don't
amount.
have-
This is not the entire amount. 12 crore we have received it. Thereafter 1 month for all the funds have been released.
Oh.
That will come around 4 crore something. Next month.
How much has been released?
For 1 month.
How much has been released?
That will come around 4 crore rupees or something. That exact figure I
4
don't.
crore out of this 12 crores?
Yes, then next month paperwork have been done. It will be released within some few days, my lord. Then that's next month will be released.
So next month, how much will be released?
We have to release an entire amount or for all the entire amount, my lord. They have received this only for pension. Only for pension.
12 crores, 13 lakhs, 27,000 is
Yes.
the entire amount.
Entire amount, only for pension.
You have so far released 4 crores,
Around 4 crore, exact figure I
around
don't
4
have.
crores.
For 1 month.
So the remaining balance is there.
Remaining balance is, it will be released, my lord.
And remaining balance will cover only 2 months. As per their figure, it will cover February and March. Then again, my lord, next month they will be delayed. April, May, June, July, August,
Moment the
September.
funds
What
comes,
is
we
this, my
release it, my lord. Lordship will post it after two weeks. In the meantime, that amount will be released because this amount goes to the bank account. It had been paperwork had to be done, calculation done, then sent to the bank, then it will be
Okay,
released.
okay, for clarity, I think you should file an affidavit. How much you have released and how,
Yes.
what is the process you're doing that?
And
My
what
lord.
is, and we have to indicate a timeline, because your lordship, what is they are now doing it? They have now received 12 crores. They will keep it in the bank. They will draw the interest from those amounts, but they will not give the interest on the delayed payment to the pensioners. They have to take loans to buy their medicines. Sons and daughters of some have not supported them. During the pendency of this petition, my lord, some of them have already died. My lord, where they go, my lord, at least your lordship will kindly indicate in your lordship's order that they should give a timeline that within what period they will clear the entire outstanding, as well as the current dues. They should ensure that they get it at least during the first
Yes,
week
let
of the
us,
month.
let us have something on
Yes,
record. Now, have they filed any affidavit otherwise? Some
They
pleadings
have
have been
filed one.
exchanged. Okay, let it be updated.
No, updated. we
This
have to
was
bring up.
filed on.
Amount received. Thereafter it has been,
File, I'll let you look
12
at the date.
crore rupees have been received, my lord.
My lord, they have indicated a date.
Okay, please write, Hart.
This was
Mr.
filed on 27 May 2026.
Let it be updated. Let's see.
Got it.
Pardon, Mr. B.D. Kowar, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mrs. J.M. Kowar for the petitioners who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioners are praying for release and payment of the outstanding pensionary dues, public area payable to the petitioners, and to similarly other situated retired employees of the Gauhati Municipal Corporation in accordance with the GMC employees bracket pension rules, regulations, 2015. Mr. S. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, appearing for the GMC respondents, is that the process of releasing the area pensionary benefits is in progress. And so far, out of the amount sanctioned, that is rupees 12 crores, 13 lakhs, 27,000. Roughly about 4 crores have been released.
Lordship says that 1 month amount has been released.
Which is for,
I don't have the exact figure.
okay, that's why I said roughly, which is a pensionary benefits for a month.
Month of January.
Month of January of this year,
Yes, sir.
January 2026. He submits that for the remaining months, the matter is being pursued, and he submits that he may be given 2 weeks' time to come up with the up-to-date status. Next matter, having regard to the above projection and the submission made by the Learned Standing Counsel, the respondent GMC shall file an affidavit clearly indicating how much has been released so far and how much is pending, and by which time the said amount will be released by the next day, along with supporting documents. Let this matter be listed again.
The lord should also indicate to these officers, my lord, that they will give a timeline on which date they will be paying
That's
the
what-
current.
That's what I
pensions.
said.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yes, ma'am. I'm obliged.
List again. On 29th
We have
September.
meet on the same day, 17th September, 2 weeks will be over. 16th September, sorry. We'll take a chance, madam, because they are saying 2 weeks.
You can file within 2 weeks, Mr.
No,
West.
no, not it be, let it be on 18th, 18th September.
18th September.
Obliged, your lordship.
These people, my lord, for pensioners, my lord, I am also scammer.
They come with all sorts of problem not getting their money.
Correct, understand.
That's why I feel pity for this.
Pensioners are pensioners. You can't ignore them also.
Yes, ma'am.
They have spent their good days with the organization. You should take care of them.
In the evening, my lord, around 100 people will come to have the news about what has happened, why we are not getting. Some are sick, some are not been able to buy their diabetic medicines and all those things. That's why it's a very costly. You should at
Mr.
least
Bora,
understand.
Mr. Bora, look into it. Please look into it.
It's not, because this is adversary litigation. I am only praying on behalf of them, seeing their conditions.
That's why I have to pay, that money has received, we're using it.
Okay,
Obliged, your lordship.
next.
Please, your lordship. Petitioner, my lord, had appeared interview on 6/8/2025 for Anganwadi helper, my lord. In 3 different Anganwadi center, my lord. On last occasions, they have
Chip, in this matter, I require some time to complete my instructions. Chip will permit me 2 weeks to complete instructions. That,
Okay, just a minute.
yes.
Okay, that result has not come out.
Yes.
You need some more time.
Yes, Lordship, the status is perhaps required as to what has happened to
That's
the
what. So what is the instruction?
Lordship, it has not come as yet. Lordship will permit me some more time. I will positively obey.
How much time?
Lordship will permit me 2 weeks. Lordship.
2 days. We'll have it next week then.
Yes.
Friday maybe. Thursday, okay. Mr. Your good name?
Lordship.
ARCA Learned Counsel for the
BTC. Lordship.
respondent BTC. Prays for further time to receive the instructions. Accordingly, list the matter again of.
Lordship, item 12
12,
perhaps
my lord.
can be closed.
petitioner have got appointment, right? On 17th of August 2026,
Appointment as?
as final Anganwadi worker, my lord. In Jar Taluk Anganwadi Center and my lord Thalkosi.
Serial number?
Serial number, my lord,
3 and 10. 3 and 10. Lordship.
Silumani Das.
Silumoni Das and Thunu Sorniam.
The other one is what number?
10, Lordship. 10.
10 is Silumani Das.
3, Lordship. Thunu Sorniam. Serial 3.
Punu Sarania.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So we'll close the matter then.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
RS duty.
Mrs. R.S. Dury, Learned Counsel for the petition has sufficed that the petitioners have now been appointed.
As my lord Anganwadi worker, my lord.
Appointed as Anganwadi worker
In Jar Taluk, my lord. Jar Taluk Anganwadi Center.
in Jar Taluk Anganwadi Center and Halkuchi Anganwadi Center respectively. In terms of the approval given by the joint director, PhD means
Council head of department.
council
Head of department.
head of department. COUNCIL, huh? Council, head of department. Women and Child Development, BTC, Kokrajhar.
by communication dated 6/8/2026. And therefore, the petitioners no longer would like to press the matter of Mr.
Yeah, Chair.
A. Atria, learned as standing counsel, BTC.
Yes.
And D.
Bora.
Mr. D. Bora, learned
One in state.
state counsel, appearing for respondent numbers 1 and 2.
3.
1 and 3 agrees to the prayer, agrees to the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioners. Accordingly, the matter stands disposed of as not pressed. The communication dated 6/8/2026 produced by learned counsel for the petitioners is kept on record and marked as extant for verification.
My lord, matter pertains to granting of minimum pay scale to the petitioner. But after Sukhendu, my lord, it is under consideration before the government, my lord. I pray for some time, in fact, similar cases, my lord, content case has been fixed on 39. I am placing an order, which came up on 24/8. So Lordship will post it along with that case, my lord. It is under consideration. He has been put in the list of eligible candidates. But in the meantime, my lord, that Upendas has been set aside by the Honorable Supreme Court. So the authorities are looking at the issue, whether to, my lord, continue with the scheme or to, my lord, abandon it, because, my lord, Upendas has now been interfered by the Honorable.
Upendas,
My lord,
no,
please, my lord,
Sukhendu was regarding
challenging Upendas.
correct, but
yes.
in Sukhendu,
Sukhendu, my lord, they got the final
regarding
regularization.
regularization, Supreme Court says that
They will have to be regularized.
they will have to be regularized.
They were engaged prior to 1/4/1993. So a
Correct.
line has been drawn.
That is one part. The second part is regarding the minimum scale of
Minimum
pay.
pay scale was in Upendas, that has entirely been set aside without any observation on, my lord, minimum pay scale.
No, that is why I would like to say that that observation was there in the Upendas in view of that Jagjit Singh.
Probably that, yes, we cannot.
So Supreme
bypass
Court
that
in
thing.
Sukhendu has not said anything that
Yes.
Jagjit Singh is gone.
Well,
Upendas also is gone. So perhaps you'll have to
they
grant
are
that
examining
benefit.
that aspect. Well, in fact, my lord, in the order that I have placed now, my lord, in the contempt case, this particular observation has been made by the Honorable, my lord, court number 12.
Is it so?
Yes, sir. Just an observation because it's a contempt
Okay.
case.
Okay. So you should take a decision
They are
early,
looking at the
because
issue, my lord.
no, this is not 1, 2 cases. There are many
Yes,
cases like that.
65% has been.
So
now-
you have to take your stand
Yes.
at an early date.
That's
In my humble submission, Lordship, in Sukhendu, this minimum scale of pay aspect was not interfered.
That's what we are saying.
Yes.
Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional AG, submits that although it was submitted before the court that upon verification, the petitioner appears to be entitled for minimum pay scale. But recently, the apex court has interfered with the decision of the division bench of this court in writ appeal number 45 of 2014, bracket State of Assam versus Upendas and others. And therefore, no, and therefore cancel, okay? White judgment dated 21/5/2026 in civil appeal number 4514 of 2025, bracket Sukhendu Bhattacharjee and others versus State of Assam and others. Stop. In the light of the said decision of the apex court, the department requires some time to examine the matter. Stop. He also submits that a similar matter is also scheduled to be listed on 39/2026, namely contempt case C number 576 of 2023, bracket Bubul Nath versus Jayant Narlikar,
and two others. Close bracket, stop. He therefore submits that the present case may also be listed on 30th of September. In view of this the matter on 30th of September. We'll not club it together, okay? Let it be listed on there.
On that day, yes.
You can just make a mention in the morning.
Value of that.
As per the last order passed by this honorable court to prove steps, Dastim upon the respond number 9 and 10. And my learned friend is appearing for 9 and 10 also.
9 and 10.
Yes.
So 8, 9, 10, Lordship. I'll be appearing for 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so
I received the Wakalatnama yesterday. It will be filed during the course of the day.
okay, and you need some time to file counter.
Lordship, yes, Lordship. I'm for the respondent number 6. Yeah.
Huh?
Respondent number 6.
Number
I'm for the respondent number 6. Lordship.
6.
6.
6, you're already appearing at.
Yes, yes. We'll file appearing.
Only 9 and 10 was awaited.
Yes, your good name?
B. Sharma, Lordship.
Mr. B. Sharma, learned counsel, submits that he has instructions to appear on behalf of respondent numbers 8, 9, and 10.
8, 9, 10.
And that he'll be filing the affidavit, the Vakalatama of on behalf of respondent numbers 9 and 10
8, 9.
within the course of the day. 8 also.
8, 9, and 10, Lordship.
Okay, he'll be filing his Vakalatama during the course of the day. Stop. You further praise for how much time?
4 weeks, Lordship.
4 weeks time.
4 weeks.
Lordship, there is some urgency. Can it be on 15th of September? Issue is very small, Lordship. And 15th of September, it's a hearing the Lordship. 15th of September, if possible, Lordship.
I don't know, the dates are all given.
15th, if possible.
We have to ration the cases you see, otherwise all the cases are clubbed together one day.
Yes, yes.
Then
22nd.
22nd?
Yes, okay.
Praise for 4 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. Stop. Similarly,
Respondent number 6, Lordship.
Mr.
M. Hussain.
M. Hussain, learned counsel for respondent number 6, and Mr.
1, 2, and 3, 4.
You have filed affidavit.
Already filed for
Yes.
APS.
Okay, respond number 6, praise for some time to file the counter affidavit. Stop. The okay. APSC over. What do you say?
I am for the APS.
Respondent number,
Respondent 1, 2, and 3, madam.
Mr.
B. Sharma.
B. Sharma, learned counsel appears for the APSC. Respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. Well, Ms. K. Tupan, learned state counsel appears for respondent number 8. Huh?
Respondent number 7.
Okay, learned counsel appears for the respondent number 7. And Mr. D. Bora, learned state counsel appears for respondent number 4.
Sir, I'm not going to this one.
Next para in view of this is the matter on the 2nd September in the admission column.
Yes, sir.
Parties to exchange their pleadings on or before that date.
Obliged.
16.
No pleasure, Lordship. I'm appearing for respondent number 4, Lordship. It's a
One-
small matter, Lordship.
But who's for the other side?
Yes, Lordship.
This is, what is this case?
Case is, Lordship, it's a, on,
Have you seen
4
the,
point. Yes,
have you seen the cost list?
yes, I have seen, Lordship.
Sujit Paul versus Sujit Paul.
It's a wrongly written, name is wrongly written. Actually, this was Chatri. This is Lordship, Dhan Bahadur Chatri versus Moneshwar Boro,
Oh,
Sujit Paul, and the insurance companies. Name is wrongly written, Lordship.
then the parties shown in the cost
Names
list,
are same, names are, case number is same, Lordship.
parties in the cost list,
Yes, Lordship.
they're correct. Your good name?
M. Chaudhary, Mamoni Chaudhary.
M. Chaudhary, yes, your name is there.
Yes, yes, it is
Then
there. It is there.
Mrs. PM Datta is there.
PM,
She's the
Lordship,
counsel.
Lordship, this A doctor, since he has expired, Lordship,
Ah.
I am appearing on behalf of Oriental Insurance Company. A Amlan doctor, A doctor, same party.
No, no, no. That is okay. Respondent to okay, but for the appellant,
Appellant is,
Mrs. PM Datta. She's the
Mrs.
counsel?
PM doctor. Yes, Lordship. Kalak number.
The problem is that if the name is not shown, then maybe they'll not be aware. Last time, Mr. P. Sundi appeared.
P. Sundi.
His name is not on the cost list. P. Sundi.
P. Sundi, yes. His name is not there, Lordship.
That is why perhaps they missed it. Whether they have filed Vakalatnama or not.
Yes, that has to be seen.
Is there a Vakalatnama in the second file? First file, I don't sign. Normally, just see for the appellant. The memo of appeal, they should enclose it, I think, normally. You don't keep it in a different file, is it? The Vakalatnama of the respondents are there, but appellant. Who's the appellant otherwise? Insurance company? No.
No, 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 Lordship.
Claimant.
Claimant, Lordship.
Claimant. So we'll list it some other day.
Lordship.
Please write, none appears for the appellant when the matter is called. However, Miss, your good name?
M. Chaudhary, Lordship.
M. Chaudhary, learned counsel appears for the respondent number 4.
4, Lordship.
So it is seen that in the cost list, it is in the parties are indicated as Sujit Paul versus Sujit Paul. And the name of the counsel for the appellant has been reflected as Mrs. PM Datta.
Yes.
Now, however, upon checking the record, there is no Vakalatnama. There appears to be no Vakalatnama filed on behalf of the appellant. Stop registry shall verify and list the matter again. On even 3rd September. On 3rd September 2026. By putting up a note and reflecting the name of the parties correctly.
Must oblige. But please, Lordship, Mr. RKD Chaudhary is in VC. He's in a VC.
VC.
Yes, the matter may be possible for the time being.
Who's on VC?
Mr. RKD Chaudhary, Deputy Solicitor.
RKD Chaudhary. He's for the respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
I see. Then you are for the petitioner.
Yes.
What is your good name?
I am Polita.
M. Polita.
Possible for the time being.
Pertains to removal from service.
Removed from service after DP.
Yes, but after that, I come back to compulsory retirement.
Compulsory retirement.
Initially removed from service,
Ah.
then petitioner preferred appeals.
Before departmental appeal. In the departmental appeal, it was converted
Converted
into
to
compulsory retirement.
Petitioner has no criminal and petition my past.
And now you're challenging the compulsory retirement. When were you retired? Date? The cases of the year 2019
Yes.
must have been around 18, 17, 18, 19.
Yeah.
What is your age?
Date of filing, my lord, in 42 years. Now, my lord, in 2019, I have filed 42,
42 plus
48.
7.
47.
42 plus 7.
Yes.
49. 48, 49.
11 years.
You're ready otherwise? Are you ready? Okay, let Mr. Alkedi Chaudhary come. We'll pass over for the time being.
May
Yes.
not challenge the order of punishment and appellate order. Whereby my lord, to increment, annual increment without cumulative.
Where is the penalty? Page number?
Page number 35.
35. Okay, so you have been imposed with a major penalty of stoppage of 2 annual increments.
Yes.
With cumulative effect.
Without limit.
Have you preferred appeal?
Hello?
Have you preferred an appeal, departmental appeal?
Yes. Appellate department.
What has happened to your appeal?
My lord, appellate order, my lord. Page 44.
Page 44.
Everyone business.
Date is 10/4/25, is it? Appeal, dismissal date?
Yeah, my lord, 10th of April 2024.
10th of April 2025 or 24?
25. My lord, below my lord, below last person, my lord, 10th of April 2025. Yes, this my lord, this the petitioner by committing forgery obtain railway warranty of 4 persons for constable from Gauhati to one boxer and from boxer to Gauhati. My lord, I have denied the allegation.
Where is the allegation?
Allegation, my lord, is page 18.
18 is the show cause.
Yes, so this is the allegation. Next page 19 is the allegation.
Inquiry report. So prior to this, there was an inquiry,
My lord, it was summary inquiry.
preliminary inquiry.
My lord, it was not with me.
Mr. Chauhan, you're not ready.
My lord, I am ready.
You're ready.
Yes.
If we go on that speed, I think we'll need 2 days to finish.
My lord, in this case, my lord, actually, my lord, record will be required. Why, my lord? Because, my lord, my case is that at the time of my lord giving me this document, no document mentioned in the year was supplied to me. And second, my lord, my ground is this, my lord. During the inquiry, I was not allowed to cross-examination, my lord. And my third allegation is this, my lord. While, my lord, the inquiry report was submitted, my lord, furnished to me, along with inquiry report, my lord, statement recorded were not submitted, not furnished to me. So 3 grounds, my lord. So, my lord,
No,
recorded.
but do they furnish the delinquent officer with a statement recorded along with the inquiry report?
Yes.
Is it like that?
Inquiry report.
Where is the provision for that?
Furnished, lordship.
Where is the provision for that in the Assam Police Manual? That when you give the inquiry report, you have to give all the statements also.
My lord, they are saying that along with the inquiry report, paper submitted. That what they mean, my lord, by other papers, my lord. My lord,
Show me your pleadings. Show me your pleadings. Where have you stated all these things?
Yes. Paragraph 80.
Yes, I've read that. Any other paragraph?
80. Page 11. Then the petitioner has to.
No, I've read it. Any other paragraph?
Paragraph
18 we have read.
18 and 21, man.
21.
Yes.
Not evidence of the witness not enclosed. Then what about that cross-examination you just said? Okay, not allowing. Paragraph 20. Paragraph 20. So these are the 3 grounds.
Paragraph 27. The petitioner was not allowed to cross-examine any of the witnesses. 27. So,
And
my lord,
no, there's one more ground. No defense assistant.
no assistant. Yes.
No defense assistant. What are you? Assistant
My
sub-inspector.
lord, I am, my lord, then my lord, sub-inspector.
You are assistant sub-inspector.
Not assistant, my lord, sub-inspector. Subsequently promoted to inspector.
No, at the time of the inquiry.
Sub-inspector.
The show cause is not directed to you as ABSI, which is branch sub-inspector. Correct. What is your affidavit, Miss
My lord,
Bhattacharjee? Have you answered to those queries?
We have, yes, lordship, we have replied to that, but that apart, lordship, we have received the record where, lordship, it is the petitioner, the delinquent has admitted his guilt and he pleaded for mercy, lordship. And he was ready and willing to pay whatever has been caused to the exchequer of the government, lordship.
Okay, now is that reflected in the impugn order?
No, lordship, if it is there, my lord, I have not been instructed as a counsel, my lord, I am not aware of it. Yes.
It is in vernacular, lordship. Can I read, lordship, the statement that the petitioner has deposed before the inquiry officer?
Just a minute.
But Chaji, otherwise that regarding confession is not there. Admission.
Lordship, that
Admission.
I have seen, in the, there are always comments that we received, Lordship, and we have filed the affidavit. That particular thing is not, that means, stated here. But while perusing the original record, Lordship, it is seen that the petitioner has admitted his guilt and he pleaded for mercy. And he also stated that whatever has loss caused to the exchequer, he is ready and willing to pay. This is there.
I understand. That's what you said. But
Yes,
the thing is that if you go through the impugned order passed by the disciplinary authority,
Lordship.
as well as the appellate authority's order,
Yes,
there is
Lordship.
no whisper
Hmm,
that he admitted.
admitted.
He submitted his reply also,
Lordship.
and defense assist, I mean, the
Yes, Lordship.
inquiry officer was appointed, presenting officer appointed, and the reply given by him is not satisfactory.
Lordship, if your, Lordship, kindly peruse the order, Lordship. Just 1 minute, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. If your Lordship may peruse Annexa 10, page 35. Lordship, second paragraph. That in pursuant of ECF number so and so, from bottom, Lordship, last 3 lines. Uday Rajbangshi and Constable Rajesh Ray for issuing fake railway warrant for traveling from Gauhati to Buxar, Buxar to Gauhati, Balia to Gauhati, and Buxar to Gauhati, respectively, by using fake reserve inspector seal, and also signed the reserve inspector on various occasions. Moreover, the charged officer, ABSI Vinod Kumar Prasad, had also admitted that the whole act was done by him on his statement dated 11/1/2024. And he has been given a very minor punishment, Lordship. That also, the stoppage of 2 increments without cumulative effect, Lordship.
Now, what is this statement of 11/1/2024?
Lordship.
Do you have that?
I have that. Lordship, will Lordship be understanding it is in Assamese, Lordship? Or I have to transcript, Lordship,
can
and file one
translate.
additional affidavit.
You can translate. You read and translate.
Lordship. This is the statement of ABSI Vinod Kumar Prasad, dated 11/1/2024.
Of
It is
the
correct,
of the
Lordship.
petitioner.
11/1
Of the petitioner.
of the petitioner.
Just read and say, translate.
This is in connection with use of fake railway warrant dated 11/1/2024. মই সপ্তবিংশ অসম আৰক্ষী বাহিনীত যোৱা 1994 চনৰ পৰা এই বাহিনীৰ বিভিন্ন পদত কৰ্তব্য সম্পাদন কৰি বৰ্তমান ABSI হিচাপে 16 নং গুণত কৰ্তব্য কৰি আছো। উক্ত তদন্ত সংক্ৰান্তত মোৰ কবলগীয়া যে যোৱা 5/1/2024 তাৰিখে এই বাহিনীৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয়ত হোৱা আৰক্ষী সন্মিলনত উপস্থিত হওঁ। উক্ত সন্মিলনত বাহিনীৰ অধিনায়ক মহোদয়ে জনায় যে বাহিনীৰ কোনোবা ব্যক্তিয়ে অন্য ব্যক্তিৰ নামত হোৱা ৰেলৱে ৱাৰেণ্ট বাহিনীৰ কাৰ্যালয়ত নজনোৱাকে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি ভাৰতৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাইৰ পৰা যাতায়াত কৰি আছে। মই এই কথাটো শুনিলো আৰু লগতে গম পালো যে এই বিষয়টো তদন্ত কৰিবলৈ বাহিনীৰ সহ অধিনায়ক মহোদয় শ্ৰীযুত ৰোশন জালান APS ডাঙৰীয়াক অধিনায়ক মহোদয়ে নিৰ্দেশ দিছে। মই ইংৰাজী 7/1/2024 তাৰিখে ব্যক্তিগতভাৱে আহি সহ অধিনায়ক শ্ৰীযুত ৰোশন জালান APS ডাঙৰীয়াক বিষয়টোৰ ওপৰত কিছু কথা অৱগত কৰোঁ। লগতে মই তেখেতক উপৰোক্ত ভুৱা ৰেলৱে ৱাৰেণ্ট বাহিনীৰ অন্য ব্যক্তিৰ নামত কাৰ্যালয়ৰ অজ্ঞাতে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰাৰ কথাটো স্বীকাৰ কৰোঁ। মই এই বাহিনীৰ হাবিলদাৰ ৰঞ্জিত শৰ্মা, হাবিলদাৰ ৰঞ্জিত গোৱালা, হাবিলদাৰ উদয় ৰাজবংশী আৰু কনিষ্টেবল ৰাজেশ্বৰ ৰায়ৰ নামত ভুৱা ৰেলৱে ৱাৰেণ্ট কৰি গুৱাহাটীৰ পৰা কানপুৰ, বক্সাৰৰ পৰা গুৱাহাটী, বালিয়াৰ পৰা গুৱাহাটী আৰু বক্সাৰৰ পৰা কামাখ্যা ষ্টেচনলৈ যাতায়াত কৰোঁ। মই ৰেলৱে ৱাৰেণ্টসমূহ নিজে পূৰণ কৰি ভুৱা ৰিজাৰ্ভ ইন্সপেক্টৰ চিল বনাই ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি তাক নিজে ৰিজাৰ্ভ ইন্সপেক্টৰৰ ঠাইত জালিয়াতি চহী কৰোঁ। এই সমগ্ৰ ভুৱা ৰেলৱে ৱাৰেণ্ট ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা বিষয়টি পুনৰ আজি 11/1/2024 তাৰিখে সহ অধিনায়ক মহোদয়ৰ ওচৰত স্বীকাৰ কৰোঁ।
What is that last line, last word?
এই সমগ্ৰ ভুৱা ৰেলৱে ৱাৰেণ্ট ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা বিষয়টি পুনৰ আজি 11/1/2024 তাৰিখে সহ অধিনায়ক মহোদয়ৰ ওচৰত স্বীকাৰ কৰোঁ।
স্বীকাৰ কৰোঁ।
Admit.
I admit.
Admit. শেষত অধিনায়ক মহোদয়ৰ ওচৰত ক্ষমা প্ৰাৰ্থী হৈ জনাব বিচাৰো যে মই এইটো এটা ডাঙৰ ভুল কৰিছো।
Okay, he has admitted his fault.
Yes, he has
Now,
admitted his fault.
Despite that, the inquiry was done.
Yes, despite the inquiry was
done.
yes.
Charge was proved and he was given this penalty.
Yes, Lordship. And he has given a lesser punishment, Lordship. My humble prayer is that this should not be interfered, as the petitioner already has admitted his guilt, Lordship. And this type of action is not taken, Lordship. They will keep on doing these things, Lordship. And the others will also be inspired if they are, that means let go without any imposing any penalty or punishment, Lordship. So whatever has been penalty has been imposed is right and correct, Lordship. And I pray that the Lordship shall not interfere with the penalty imposed or the order passed in this case in favor of the petitioner, Lordship.
What about the allegation of not appointing a defense assistant and being denied of the chance of cross-examination of the witnesses?
They have, because his signatures are there, Lordship. His signatures, they are Binod Kumar Prasad, always, Lordship. Present, he was present. Presenting officer was there.
What have you stated in your counter affidavit?
Lordship, in counter affidavit, Lordship, I think all these things are not reflected properly, Lordship. This is the main thing. I have gone through this, Lordship. Or if your Lordship allows, Lordship, I can file one a small additional affidavit stating all these things and as annexing the documents, Lordship. Here, Lordship also can see, he has stated that I have nothing to examine, Lordship. This is there. He has not cross-examined lordship in spite of he being present, lordship.
The records are all in vernacular.
All in vernacular.
All
lordship.
in vernacular.
All in vernacular.
There's any order sheet,
Order sheet, that means these things are.
order sheet also in vernacular.
No, these are in English, lordship. Some are typed, some are handwritten, lordship. Lordship can peruse this, lordship. These notings are there. That he has been given opportunity to cross-examine but he declined to cross-examine the witnesses. These are their, lordship.
Is it written like that with declined?
Yes, lordship. Here in the vernacular also, and whichever is written in English in the note sheet, lordship, this reflects also the same thing, lordship.
You have stated that otherwise in paragraph 10. But that declining part is not there.
Yes, yes.
What was furnished to him with the show cause, memo of charge and statement of allegations? Because paragraph number 13 of your counter says that list of witnesses, 5 numbers of relevant documents were given to him.
Which were duly received by the petitioner 26/7/2024, lordship. Let me check the record, lordship.
What are those things? Page 19 of the writ petition, list of 11 documents. These are the documents. Railway warrant book, memo number, so and so, inquiry report. Then where is the inquiry report?
Inquiry report, lordship, this is annexure 8.
Annexure 8.
Yes, lordship, page 26 onwards.
During inquiry, witness was examined in presence of charge officer. Charge officer was given all opportunities to cross-examine production of defense witnesses to prove his innocence. List of
Generally, Lordship, only the enquiry report is always supplied to the delinquent Lordship.
Yes.
It is not that the other all examining witnesses and statements of all this, because everything is there, summed up there in the enquiry report itself, Lordship.
The IO has given a list of related documents in the inquiry report.
Enquiry report,
So
which
that
he
is
has
why,
annexed with the, and he,
that is why petitioner says that what are these documents? It was not given to me.
if he
Now-
wanted Lordship, he could have inspect the documents, Lordship. This is his right. He could have availed this, Lordship. There are things, Lordship, which cannot be supplied, but it can be, that means he can avail the opportunity of examining this.
He can inspect them.
Yes.
He can examine,
Yes,
inspect them and all that. But he participated and
He
according
participated, Lordship.
to the respondents, he denied to cross-examine the witnesses.
Yes, Lordship.
And he has
This
a
is there in the record, Lordship.
admission also is there.
Yes, clear admission, Lordship.
Mr. Chauhan,
My lord,
I don't think you have a good case.
my lord, inspection is one part, but my lord, since this parliamentary proceeding, both my lord, they are duty to supply the document.
They have supplied the documents. See,
Not supplied, my.
page 19, list of relevant documents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My lord, I categorically stated in my petition. my-
See, you may have stated many things, but you see, we go by what is the material available. The list of related documents given in the inquiry report speaks about reminder, show cause. Do you require a reminder to be supplied? You already were given a reminder. How can you demand that? Reply to the show cause. This you should have your reply. Show cause notice that you have. So basically, you are just, going for some excuse.
So far, my lord.
You have admitted also that you are.
My lord, so far admission is concerned, my lord, it is written in Assamese, my lord, who has wrote this, I don't know, my lord, because my client, my lord, not, my lord, acquainted with the Assamese, my lord, language. Who has written, my lord, but
See.
signature was taken, my.
See, even that ground also will not be available to you. You see, where is that? In the impugn order of passed by the disciplinary authority, it has been recorded. Moreover, the charge officer, so and so, has also admitted that the whole act was done by him on his statements dated 11/1/2024. That was recorded.
Yes, Lordship.
It was just read.
11/1/2020.
I think you understood better than me.
My lord,
What was read?
Lord, in my appeal, my lord, I categorically stated everything, my lord, page 30, my lord, written 9. Everything I stated before the appellate authority. Page 30, my lord.
You have stated many things. Appellate authority also has replied many things. The moment you admit it, there was no requirement to have an inquiry also. But they went ahead with inquiry. So we close the.
Say admission of guilt, Lordship. I think other things are immaterial, Lordship. He has admitted, Lordship, these things.
Any authorities from both sides? Anything you want to write?
No, Lordship, I don't have. I shall go by the records and all this, Lordship.
So Mr. Chauhan we'll close the matter.
My lord, I have one authority, my lord. It is on my lord, non-supply of material. Reliable, my lord.
It's not applicable.
One is inquiry report.
Yes,
Inquiry report is
Lordship.
given to you. The other one is regarding non-supply of
Materials.
some material.
Well, my lord, document here, my lord, document not supply, I am still my lord.
Huh?
I am still on stating my lord, the document not supplied to me.
This is in the stage of charge sheet,
And a
Lordship.
cross objection my lord, on the record, there is no cross examination.
These are record. You can also see.
No, there is no cross examination.
You see. উক্ত টিপি সম্পদ এই মই ক'বলগীয়া ক্ৰছ এক্সামিনেশ্যন প্ৰশ্ন নম্বৰ মোৰ সুধিবলগীয়া একো নাই।
My lord, departmental proceeding of police, my lord,
In all
is
this.
quite different from other department, my lord. This, my lord, the police, my lord, how the higher police officer behaving, the lower police officer is everybody known, my lord. You present, you sign here, so many, my lord, things are there in the police. Other department, these are not there. But in police, my lord,
Okay,
force
okay.
is there.
We understand, you see, we understand things may be different, but where is your allegation in the writ petition that you have been made to sign under duress?
My lord,
Although you were not given a chance, they said you sign. I had to sign. They are my superior.
my lord,
You could have stated that in your writ petition.
in my lord, appeal, whatever I that in the appeal, these are my ground. my-
In each and every user, he has been asked. মোৰ সুধিবলগীয়া একো নাই. He has nothing to ask. All this, he has been asked to cross-examine.
How many witnesses examined?
Lordship, 5 witnesses.
They are the same one, the ones who have been reflected in page 19.
Page 19.
Roshan Jalal,
Yes, Roshan Jalan, yes.
Ramchandran Rabha, Havildar Ranjit Sharma,
Yes, Lordship.
Havildar Uday Raj Bonshi,
Uday Rajvamshi.
Rajeshwar Ray.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes. We'll have to close the matter, Mr. Chauhan. Okay,
I leave to you.
yes.
The my lord asked me whether I have stated in my petition that whether I have stated in my petition that my signature was obtained forcefully, my lord. In paragraph 8, my lord, it's page 8, I have stated in the petition. Para 8 minutes. Page 8. And my lord, I have also one a complaint, my lord, which is my lord, MHLC page 23, my lord. In a sense, my lord, I have some translated copy.
Same has been denied by them.
My lord, again, my lord, and this is my lord, appeal, my lord, page 30. My lord, lecture 9. Last 6 lines, my lord, page 30, my lord, I am reading it. During preliminary inquiry, the then President Sri Rosal Jalal, appears for me on 7/11, 2022, asked me about the same. When I denied the allegation, it written me that I will be dismissed from the service. Thereafter, President Rosal Jalal appears, asked me to come on 11/1 to sign my statement, which will be prepared by him in the service. 11/1 about when investigation officer put me my signature in the statement, and I have no option but to sign the statement. These are my-
But you have not stated anything in your paragraph 12. You have chosen not to mention that in your paragraph 12, although you have annexed this document as annexure 9. I think we'll close up the matter, Mr. Chauhan. But Mr. S. Chauhan, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. M. Bachaji, learned senior government advocate for the respondents. Facts of the case in brief is that the show cause notice was issued to the petitioner on 10/7/2024 by the commandant, 27th Battalion, Assam Police Battalion, bracket next respondent number 4, requiring the petitioner to show cause as to why appropriate penalties under the Assam Police Manual should not be inflicted upon him following the charges based on the statement of allegation attached to the show cause notice. Of the statement of allegation was to the effect that one Sri Roshan Jalal, APS, the then adjutant of the 27th Battalion of the Assam Police, was entrusted to conduct an inquiry into the authenticity of some railway warrants issued against Havildar Ranjit Sharma, Havildar Ranjit Gowala, Havildar Uday Rajbanshi, and Constable 269 Rajeshwar Ray of the unit. Page 19, okay. Find the names now. So from the inquiries report submitted, it was revealed that the petitioner had used the names of these persons, THESE, these persons, for issuing fake railway warrant for traveling from Gauhati to Buxar, 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 Buxar to Gauhati, and Buxar to Gauhati, respectively, by using fake reserve inspector seal while signing as reserve inspector on various occasions. The said act tantamounts to gross indiscipline, conduct, moral turpitude, and gross misconduct, rendering him unfit for detention in the Assam Police. Along with the allegation, the list of prosecution witnesses
and the list of documents sought to be relied upon. Were also enclosed. Next paragraph. Pursuant to the show cause notice, an inquiry officer was appointed along with presenting officer for conducting the departmental inquiry by order dated 22/8/2024. So upon conclusion of the inquiry, the inquiry officer submitted the inquiry report, and the petitioner, while being given a copy of the inquiry report, was asked to show cause on the findings of the inquiry report by communication dated 10/1/2025. Stop. It was also indicated that the representation to be submitted by the petitioner should reach the disciplinary authority within a period of 10 days from the date of receipt of the communication. Stop. Although the petitioner submitted his reply to the second show cause notice dated 10/1/2025, the disciplinary authority decided to impose upon him a major penalty of stoppage of 2 annual service increments from the next date of increment with cumulative effect by order dated 29/1/2025. Stop. Although the petitioner preferred an appeal against the same, his appeal came to be rejected by the appellate authority by order dated 10/4/2025. By upholding the order passed by the disciplinary authority, stop. Aggrieved, the petition is before this court. Stop. Mr. S. Chauhan, learned counsel, submits that pursuant to the show cause notice dated 10/7/24, the petitioner was not furnished with the documents listed in the statement of allegation. And therefore, he could not go through the documents and its contents. And the same amounts to violation of the principles of natural justice. Stop. The petitioner was not allowed to cross-examine the prosecution witnesses, which again amounts to violation of the principles of natural justice and also violation of Article 311 of the Constitution of India. Stop. He further submits that along with the second show cause notice dated 10/1/2025, the report of the inquiry officer was enclosed, but the evidence of the witnesses were not enclosed, and thereby depriving the petitioner from submitting an effective reply to the inquiry report. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner was also denied of having a defense assistant during the departmental proceedings. Stop. The learned counsel also submits that during the preliminary inquiry, the petitioner the petitioner's signature was obtained by force. As he was threatened that if he did not put his signature, he would be terminated from the service. The learned counsel therefore submits that the impugn order dated 29/1/2025, as well as the appellate order dated 10/4/2025 should be set aside. In support of the submission, the learned counsel has relied upon the case of Punjab National Bank and others versus KK Verma, 2010, 13 SCC 494, and Union of India and others versus SK Kapoor, 2011, 4 SCC 589. Next para per contract is our charge and senior government submits that. The petitioner was supplied with all the relevant materials which was indicated in the show cause notice dated 10/1/2024. And therefore, the contention of the petitioner that he was not given the relevant documents is not correct. She also submits that, in fact, the petitioner had admitted to the charge when his statements was recorded on 11/1/2024. Stop. In this connection, the Learned State Council has drawn the attention of this court to the impugn order dated 29/1/2025. Wherein at paragraph number 2, it is provided that the petitioner admitted the whole act done by him on his statement dated 11/1/2024. Stop. The Learned State Council has also produced the departmental records. And she has read out the statement of the petitioner dated 11/1/2024 to the court. Stop. Although the same is recorded in vernacular, but the Learned State Council has translated the same to the court. Stop. It therefore appears that from the statement of the petitioner, he had admitted to the allegation made against him. And importantly, the charge the Learned State Council has also denied the averment of the petitioner that he was denied the chance of cross-examining the witnesses. Stop to this. No, not to this. Can stop, cancel that. She submits that as per the records, it is clear that when such opportunity was given to the petitioner, he simply declined to cross-examine the witnesses. She therefore submits that the averment of the petitioner in this regard is not true, since he was given the opportunity to cross-examine the departmental witnesses if he so desired. Referring to the affidavit of position, the United States Council submits that the state respondents have clearly denied about the averment of the petitioner of not having been given the chance to cross-examine the prosecution witnesses. At paragraph number 10, of the affidavit in opposition. She further submits that there were five numbers of prosecution witnesses named in the show cause notice. And similarly, five numbers of relevant documents sought to be relied upon by the prosecution. The same was duly received by the petitioner on 26/7/2024. And therefore, the grievance of the petitioner in this regard that he has not received the list of documents is unfounded. She also submits that the inquiry report was furnished to the petitioner to enable him to make a representation. And there was no requirement on the part of the respondent authority to furnish him further documents along with the inquiry report, since the petitioner himself had participated in the inquiry proceedings. What has been relied upon by the inquiry officer has already been mentioned in the memorandum of charge, in the show cause notice dated 10/7/2024. She thus submits that despite the admission on the part of the petitioner to the charges, department proceeding was conducted and the charges proved during the department inquiry. Considering the nature of penalty imposed upon the petitioner in relation to the misconduct committed by him, it cannot be said that the penalty imposed is disproportionate. She thus submits that the writ petition has no merit and the same should be dismissed. Next para, I have heard the submissions made by the learned counsels for the rebel parties. I have produced the materials available on report. The petitioner has primarily taken the stand that he has not been given sufficient opportunity viewing the departmental proceedings. The fact that the petitioner has admitted to the charge and to the allegation is discernible from the reports which was read out by the learned state council. Further, the impugn order dated 29/1/2025 also provides that the petitioner in his statement dated 11/1/2024 has admitted to the whole act done by him. The petitioner has also taken the stand that he has been denied of cross-examining the departmental witnesses. However, the same has also been established to be not true from the records produced by the learned state council. Since the petitioner had denied to cross-examine the witnesses, after petitioner himself had denied to cross-examine the witness. Stop the show cause notice dated 10/7/2024 also provides for 5 departmental witnesses to be the prosecution witnesses to prove the charge, along with list of 5 documents sought to be relied upon. Stop, it is the specific stand taken by the department that the petitioner was furnished with such documents in their affidavit of position. Stop, although the petitioner no, cancel that. Is but charging anything about the defense assistant in the records?
There, Lordship, it is
Anything in the records? Defense assistant, just have a look briefly.
defense assistant.
Next para, the learned counsel for the petitioner has relied upon the case of Punjab National Bank and others versus KK Verma, Supra. To contend that he was not furnished with the relevant documents prior to the imposition of the penalty. Stop, the said decision, however, is with regard to non-supply of inquiry report, which is not the case in the present. Which is not the case. Which is not the case in the present petition. The petitioner was indeed supplied with an inquiry report and to which he had submitted his reply as well.
In the show cause, Lordship, regarding inspection of documents, it is there, Lordship.
What?
Page 18 of the writ petition, Lordship. From below paragraph, second paragraph, from below, Lordship. Page 18 and exact 2. Regarding what he has stated that he could not reply properly to the show cause, Lordship. You should submit your written explanation in defense within 10 days from the date of receipt of this communication, provided you do not intend to inspect the documents which have relevance with the issue under inquiry. In case you intend to inspect those documents, you should write to the undersigned for the same within 7 days and submit your explanation thereafter within 10 days from the date of completion of the inspection. This was there.
No, that's in regarding documents. I'm talking about the defense assistant. Appointing defense assistant. Any offer was made to him?
Offer, no offer, Lordship. In the record, there is no such this. And he has also not ever asked for this, lordship. Regarding inquiry officer and presenting officer was there, Ramendra Singh.
Now, further, the case of Union of India and others versus SK Kapoor. In the given facts of the present case appears to be not applicable. In view of the fact that the petitioner had been supplied with the documents sought to be relied upon. This can be seen from the show cause notice dated 10/7/2024. So far, insofar as the contention of the petitioner that he was not given a defense assistant, the same has not been disputed by the respondent authorities.
There is no such statement that he has asked for and this has been denied, lordship. Or any objection during the conduct of the inquiry, departmental proceedings, lordship.
It is
No such statement.
not in dispute, however, that no, cancel that. It however appears that the petitioner had not asked for defense assistant during the inquiry proceedings. And none appointment of a defense assistant per se may not vitiate the department proceedings. Under the given facts and circumstances of the case. And particularly when the petitioner has not been able to show that prejudice has been caused to him. Stop. As already stated, the petitioner rather himself had admitted of having
committed the misconduct in his recorded statements dated 11/1/2024. Stop under this circumstance, this court is of the considered view that no prejudice has been can be said to have been caused to the petitioner for non-appointment of the presenting officer. Stop thus upon having due regard to the entire the case in its entirety. This court finds that the petitioner cannot be said to have a legitimate purpose. Accordingly, the writ petition is found to be without merit, saves dismissed. There'll be some fine tuning. This is the broad outline.
Deeply amazed, Lordship. Lordship, shall I? Submit
Give me the records, yes.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. Bhattacharjee, do one thing. You have you flag this portion. Just flag those portion which is relevant. Just flag it. Whether it be English or vernacular. Vernacular also you flag it. If it's relevant. Okay. Any other thing which you require to be flagged, you see? Yes.
Please, your lord.
Yes.
One of the petitioner was the warder. WARDER, warder, man. It's not
Prison.
a warden. Warder.
Prison.
Warder is a lower tier guard, lower tier guard. Or you can say as a watchman in the prison.
Warder.
It's lower tier guard. Warder, WARD or warder. Warden is higher in a cell. So he is like an assistant to the warden. It's called a lower tier guard. So now, my lord, he was posted in Morigaon. In short, my lord, without opening the file, he was posted in Morigaon. Now, there was the incident which has happened in Morigaon, that some of the inmates of the jail, they escaped and they have fled away from the jail. So there was an inquiry against this petitioner and he was placed under suspension. Inquiry officer was appointed. Then the witnesses were also examined. And ultimately it led to discharge of his service. Now my case, where we came before the Supreme Court, he said that you have not furnished with the inquiry report. That's the point. You did not furnish the inquiry report to us and we did not knew about the inquiry report and how you could, without serving us, how you could have discharged us. Normally inquiry report is being served to us. Then thereafter, repentation, they asked why your services should not be discharged on the basis of the inquiry. That was not done. Now there is an affidavit which has been filed by the government also. Now there will be interesting two things that happened which if your lordship looks into the last order that has been passed by this court. Please see the last order.
On 23/7.
23/7. I'll just read the last order. So in second paragraph, appearing petitioner has categorically submitted that before issuance of the order dated 36/2025, a copy 36/2025 is a discharge. A copy of the inquiry report was not furnished to the petitioner. He submits that although in the affidavit filed by the respondent, a communication dated 16/6/2025 has been brought on record, and on perusal of the same would go to reveal that the petitioner was forwarded with a copy of the inquiry report. So and so appearing for the petitioner submit there is no material brought on record to demonstrate that the said communication issued was served on the petitioner. So and so appearing for the petitioner has further submitted the issue number of the said communication dated 16/6/2025 is after the issue number given in the order dated 36/2025, although the said communication stated to have been issued prior to the order dated 36/2025. So and so a cell on instruction received placed for the court material to demonstrate
the manner in which the communication dated 16/6/2025 was forwarded to petitioner as to whether the same was served upon him. So and so should explain as to discrepancy highlighted herein above, appearing for the petitioner with regard to issue numbers assigned to the communication dated 16/6/2025 and the order dated 30/6/2025. Now, if you see my writ petition for a moment, please see the writ petition for a moment. My writ petition.
Which page?
Page 35. Please see page 35. This is my discharge order, 30th of June 2025. On the right hand side on the top, please mark on the right hand side on the top, and on the left hand side, please see the number PRIDIG Junior 16/2024/12. This is my discharge order. Now, what I have shown before this court, if you see the affidavit that has been filed by the government at page 55, I said that you did not furnish my inquiry report. Please see that page 55 of the affidavit that has been filed. They said that yes, we have furnished the inquiry. Please see 55. See on top on the right hand side column, that is 16th of June 2025, and see on the left hand side PRIDIG Junior 16/2024/15. Now, what we say before this court, that's why that order was passed by this court. Then how can it be this number prior to my discharge order? Discharge, if you see my discharge order, which was passed by the authority, was 30th of June 2025. Issue number was 12 at page 35. So that was my case, that there is no inquiry report which has been furnished. If there is no inquiry report, then you have to furnish an inquiry report too. So it should go back to the government. Let the government decide, and it should be set aside. And my position should go back again to the place of suspension. Please see, my lord, that's why the court wanted to know from the government that why these two numbers. If you see my discharge order, if you see my discharge 30th of June 2025 at page 35, serial number is 12. And if you see at page 55, they said that you have been served with the inquiry report, and that indicates 15. Lordship, got it, my lord? This is my case. That is why that order was passed. Ultimately, it should go. They said the inquiry report was furnished. I am saying that you should not enter. It should go at that particular stage. They let them furnish the inquiry report. This order should go.
Where is the inquiry report otherwise?
Inquiry report code.
57.
Yes. This is the inquiry report at page 56. After that, 55 is the, they said there's the inquiry and inquiry report at 56.
Important note.
Yes.
What is the finding?
Finding is at page 57. I recommend the appropriate disciplinary action should also be taken. So and so, in the light of so and so, put this.
What is the charge against you otherwise?
The charge is that, my lord, this negligence on my duty. In the so-cause, if you see the so-cause, the lordship is fine. At page 27, 28 is the so-cause, charge number 1.
Escape from ward number 8 by
Yes.
cutting and bending window grill,
Yes.
which was a great negligence of duty. He would have been alert
Yes.
on his duty. The UTP could not manage to escape. He
Yes.
failed to exert utmost vigilance,
Yes.
willful negligence, permitting escape under so and so.
They were caught, no, ultimately.
Okay, so
They were
this-
ultimately caught also.
this is what Mr. Das has submitted. What is your instruction, Mr. Shutia? Have you have any instructions?
Yes, Malat.
Inquiry report.
To some extent, Malat, it is correct.
But my instruction, my lord, I asked the DIG why it was happened. They said it was not they copy paste in the computer. The number is there. In the same number, my lord, another letter was issued for the same number. That's why, my lord, he was, my lord, his inquiry report was sent to Store Post Office. By post office, that's why, my lord, he received it from the Morigaon jailer. But there was no record. They did not receive his acknowledgement.
You did not take his signature while giving him a copy.
Yes.
How was it sent? By post?
By post. But this is by post, it was sent, my lord. But he received it actually.
Where was he that time? Petitioner was not around.
No, petitioner, he received from the jailer. So it was sent by post, my lord.
Where is my signature?
But that's why, my lord, the problem is there, my lord. But let it be, my lord, remand back to the my lord, government and from this stage, my lord, furnishing a report, complete the inquiry report.
This order of
Okay.
36, 2025, that should go because you cannot, because enquiry report has to be furnished.
Yeah, that is.
Then
my
from
lord.
that stage, it will go on. my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
Furnishing a
the
report.
enquiry report, the discharge order should go. That's my case at page 35.
Remove from service.
Yes, it
Okay.
should go and.
Please write. I'll pass the orders now.
Yes.
Give me the previous file. This one. Mr. D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
K. Mohammed.
A. Mohammed.
K. Mohammed. I
K-
give my name.
K.
K.
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
K. Mohammed for the petitioner. And Mr. Thesis Surya, Learned Senior Counsel and Senior Government Advocate for the state respondents. Having regard to the controversy involved, the writ petition is taken up for disposal. Stop. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the order dated 30/6/2025 bracket annexure 8, by which he has been removed from service for gross negligence and dereliction of duties in a connection with the escape of 5 under trial prisoners
Yes.
from District Jail Morigaon on 11/10/2024.
25. 24 or 25? 11, 10, 25.
No, 24.
24, yes, yes, right. 25 units.
From the date of issuance of the order. Stop. Primary grounds for challenging the removal order, according to the Learned Senior Counsel, is that a copy of the inquiry report was not furnished to the petitioner. Before issuance of the impugn order of remove from service. Stop. He submits that although it is the contention of the respondents in their affidavit that copy was given to him, the copy of the inquiry report was given to him, but the Learned Senior Counsel submits that going by the memo number of the communication dated 16/6/2025, by which the inquiry report was said to have been given to the petitioner. The same appears to be issued after the impugn order dated 30/6/2025, removing him from service, was issued. Stop. In other words, the Learned Senior Counsel submits that while the memo number under which the order of removal was issued is number PRI/DIG bracket JR slash 16/2024/12, comma, the memo number by which the inquiry report was said to have been furnished to the petitioner is number PRI/DIG slash bracket JR slash 16/2024/15. Stop. The Learned Senior Counsel therefore submits that the memo number speaks for itself. Stop. Another circumstance, the impugned order of removal is vitiated.
Vitiated, and it is, sorry to trouble your lordship, it is violation of 9A of the Assam Service Manual.
And also violation of Rule 9A of the Assam Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964.
Yes.
Which is this case? Document. No.
This was inserted after the judgment of the Supreme Court, man. 9A.
Not this one, this one. In support of his submission, the learned senior counsel relies upon the case of Punjab National Bank and others versus KK Verma, 2010, 13 SCC 494. Next para, Mr. TC Sukia Lanet, senior government advocate. I'll record that.
Yes.
Fairly submits that since it cannot be established now whether the show cause notice, whether the inquiry report was furnished prior to issuance of the impugned order. In all fairness, the matter may be remanded back to the discipline authority for consideration.
For postal.
By giving an opportunity to the petitioner to respond to the inquiry report after being furnished of the same. Stop. In view of above, the other details of the matter of the case need not be gone into, and accordingly, let the impugned order dated 30/6/2025 is set aside, and the matter remanded back to the disciplinary authority to take a decision afresh. It is made clear that the petitioner be given adequate opportunity to represent against the inquiry report, whereafter the respondent authority concerned shall take a decision by passing a reasoned and speaking order.
My lord, only one submission, his position will reverted back to the position of suspension because he was discharged. His position will go back.
Correct. It is needless to state herein that upon the interference of the impugned order of removal from service, the petitioner shall be deemed to be under suspension till appropriate order is passed by the discipline authority.
Deeply obliged. Obliged.
There was one matter, who was that? This is 19.
Lordship,
Who was there in 19?
Lordship, that matter will continue for some time, so another date may be fixed, Lordship.
Is it so?
Yes, Lordship.
Who's petitioner? You are the one.
Yes,
On behalf of M. Kalita.
Any objection? Another date? Okay, please write Mr. RKD Chaudhary, learned DSGI, appearing for the Respondent Union of India, is said to be on legs with some other matter before another court, and therefore a prayer for adjournment has been made on his behalf. In view of the said prayer is not opposed to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on 1st October.
Yes, I give.
2026 for hearing.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item 25 also. Mr. Kumar is on actually unwell today. So Mr. Kumar is appearing as additional agent in this matter.
What war was that? S
K.
war.
Kumar, K. Kumar.
Cake war. Petitioner,
It should be-
any objection? Okay, Mr. K. Kaur, learned additional AG appearing for the state respondents is said to be in this post, and therefore a prayer for adjournment has been made on his behalf. Learned counsel for the petitioner has no objection to the prayer, subject to a date being fixed for hearing. In view of above, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on 8/10.
If possible, Lordship, in September.
September. What is the this is a 2025 matter.
See, he will get retired, Lordship.
When?
Lordship, by December, Lordship.
By December. So this is October. 6/10. Okay, 6/10.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.